In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound to Milanote. If you're planning a storyboard, collecting references, or building a mood board, being able to hear audio right where you're working is incredibly helpful. Here's how to do it from start to finish. First, go to Milanote and open the board where you want the sound to live. You can use any existing board or create a new one beforehand. Once the board is on screen, you're ready to bring in your audio file. Keeping your board open ensures everything lands exactly where you want it, alongside your notes, images, and links. The quickest method is drag and drop. On your computer, locate the audio file, something like an MP3 or WAV, then click and drag it straight onto the board. Release the mouse when you see the drop indicator, and Milanote will start uploading immediately. If you prefer to browse for the file instead, click the plus button labeled Add, choose Upload File, and select your audio from your computer. Both methods accomplish the same thing, so use whichever feels more comfortable. Next, wait for the upload to complete. You'll see an indicator while the file transfers. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and the size of the audio clip. While it's uploading, keep the tab open and avoid closing your browser or putting your device to sleep. If the upload pauses, just give it a moment. It will usually resume once your connection stabilizes. When the upload finishes, you'll see the audio appear as a file card on the board. Click the file to play the audio. A simple player will open so you can listen right inside Milanote without switching apps. Use your system volume to adjust loudness and hit pause whenever you need to stop. Most browsers play audio natively, so you don't need any extra software. If you don't hear anything, quickly check that your speakers or headphones are connected and not muted, then click play again. This workflow is perfect for adding voiceovers to a storyboard, dropping in short podcast clips for review, or collecting sound effects for a creative brief. Keeping these assets in your board means your ideas, references, and sound all live in one place, making collaboration and feedback much easier. If you're collaborating, teammates can click to listen too, keeping feedback centralized. That's all there is to it. Open your board, add the audio by dragging it in or using add and upload file, wait for the upload, and click to play. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building richer, more immersive boards in Milanote.